Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can read unsent messages in Messenger. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in Messenger myself, and if I go into the chat, which I've created with my test account, you'll see a couple of unsent messages. Now, if you see this, sadly, there is no way to look at these messages since Messenger has been programmed to hide these from everybody, or rather, they don't even save the messages. The messages have been deleted and you cannot access them at all. However, if somebody unsends a message before you actually join the chat or before you look at the message itself, if you go and scroll down your notification bar, here you might see a new message notification for Messenger, which will contain the contents of that message. Sometimes it might, sometimes it might not. If it is in a group chat, I'm pretty sure you won't be able to see the messages. Sometimes even in private chats you won't be able to see them. However, there are times when the unsent messages will be visible and you can see their contents and the text in them from this menu here if you find them. And yeah, that is pretty much the only way that you could do it. There was a notification history bar or option within Android phones. I'm pretty sure it does not exist anymore. However, if your phone is a bit older, you might have the option to select it and go into the notification history, and you will be able to look at the notifications before they were changed. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.